Hello and welcome. The welding and grinding is finished for the package tray. Had a lot of difficulties with certain areas, but it is all in and together, including all the hinge boxes for the deck lid, and some holes were filled in for pins that we're not using anymore. The chrome on this 71 actually hugs the window much closer, so we're going to have to put some screws holding the trim clips on. But all the welding is done. The package tray is affixed to the seat back, and all the patches are in for the window channel. I'm still going to have to treat the top part of the window channel, probably with some rust reform. Got all the loose stuff flaked off. It's still pretty solid, so we're probably going to leave it as is, just a little plastic filler. And the trunk's got some pinholes which have to be addressed, and that is for next time, as well of course as the lower quarters, which are on order. I ordered both sides. Going to change it below the body line there. Front of the dog leg is in very good condition. You don't have to worry about that. The only other area is in fact the floor, which is gone just in the driver's rear. I do have a patch panel that I bought off eBay. It looks like it'll work. I don't have to replace the whole entire section, just the lower part that just rotted away. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, thanks for sticking with us on this project, and we hope to have the next phase will be the actual priming of all the areas and all the filler. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos. Thanks!